Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically highlight the active column in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever worked with large spreadsheets, you know how easy it is to lose track of which column you're working in, especially when scrolling side to side. This trick will help you stay focused by visually highlighting the entire column of the selected cell. Let's get right into it. The first thing we'll do is apply conditional formatting to the entire sheet. So press Ctrl-A to select the whole worksheet. Then head over to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. From the options that appear, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, type the following. What this formula does is compare the column number of the currently selected cell with every column in the worksheet. If it matches, Excel will apply the formatting. Now it's time to choose how the highlight looks. Click on Format, go to the Fill tab, and pick any color you like. Just make sure it's light enough so you can still read the text underneath. Then click OK, and again, click OK to apply the rule. At this point, you'll notice that the column you're in is highlighted. But just like with rows, there's a little problem. The formatting doesn't automatically update when you click on another column. You need to do one more step to make this fully dynamic. So let's fix that. Right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom, like Sheet 1, and choose View Code. This opens up the VBA editor. From the drop-down on the left, select Worksheet, and make sure the drop-down on the right is set to Selection Change. Now, inside that little subroutine, type the following line, target.calculate. This simple line of code tells Excel to recalculate the sheet every time a new cell is selected, forcing the conditional formatting to update. Close the editor, return to your Excel file, and now try clicking around. You'll see that whichever column you select is instantly highlighted. It works beautifully and updates in real time. This is a great way to visually stay oriented, especially when working with wide spreadsheets or large datasets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment to let us know, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more useful Excel tips, tricks, and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.